When you're working on your structured controversy assignment, one thing you might need help with is finding good background information on your topic. Or maybe you need help picking a topic. I'm going to show you how to find the TRW research guide and use some of the databases listed. So from the library website, you just want to click on Research Guides. And if you were using this for your major, you could type a major in here like business or nursing and find a research guide for them. But for TRW, you can just click on the TRW link here under Favorites. On this page, you'll see the librarians who work with different TRW courses, and so you can find ways to contact us. But if you need good help getting background information, you'll want to go to the Articles tab. You're going to use this box on the left-hand side of the page, and the first tab has journal databases where you can find some peer-reviewed research. But this second tab is full of 3 great databases that have controversial issues in them. These aren't peer-reviewed, but they can give really good background information and information on both sides of an issue. So they're a really great place to get started. So you can use any one of these, but I'm going to show you Points of View Reference Center. Now when you log in, when you click on that, you might need to log in with Kateway, but this is what it looks like when you enter. And you can search up here for a topic, but what I usually recommend students do is to scroll down and look at all the different categories. If you already have a topic in mind, you might find it under a category, or you can scroll through the different topics here and come up with an idea for something that might interest you. You can also just click on More underneath any of these to find more information. So if I was interested in something like fracking, I could click on that, and what I'm going to get is an overview of fracking. So I can get more background information so I can learn more about this topic. But then what I want to do is look on the right-hand side and there's related items. And here's where you're going to see a point and a counterpoint. So basically this is the pro and con side of the argument. So all you need to do is click on those and you can see the point and counterpoint. And so it gives you more background into what each side of the issue says. So if I click on the point, it will open up and I can see more talking points about this and get some more information about what this side says. And then I can go to the other counterpoint and get the other side. So this is a really great database to find background information on your topic, so I highly suggest trying it. Now you can also try any of the other ones too, so feel free to go to that Articles tab and try either Issues and Controversies or CQ Researcher because they all have good background information. But this should just be where you get started to get some background information, and then you need to find some journal articles for your topic. So that will be in the next video.